How to make an effective advertising claim, a step-by-step guide.
Check the lead times and volume of products with your testing house and coordinate with the manufacturer.
Research the legislative landscape for the territories in which the product is to be sold, including whether it is a medicine or a cosmetic, and the types of evidence that are required. Your chemist decides the likely claims and understands the unique selling points, and the claims that can be made from the raw ingredients.
Bear in mind that it is the finished product that needs to be tested. Do not try to supersede the likely claims.
Decide where the product is going to be sold and decide upon panel criteria according to the proposed markets, and think about the exclusion criteria to avoid warped data.
Select an appropriate study methodology using the expertise of AGR and decide upon the number of panellists, starting at 100 plus.
Schedule the study period to replicate the claim. For example, if the skin is better after 6 weeks, you will need a 6-week study.
Propose a questionnaire that reflects the marketing and efficacy claims that you desire, and AGR will create a personalised, effective and legally compliant questionnaire and an undesirable effects questionnaire to cover any negative outcomes. Always include testimonials to back up your quantitative data.
Prepare the correct number of samples, ensuring they are debranded or in the final packaging without branding.
Review the data considering what the report actually says rather than what you want it to achieve.
Your Ayton Global Research report will provide you with the best evidence possible to make a success of your brand, as well as ensuring your claims are legally compliant. Contact Ayton Global Research to set up your study today.